Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1040, and today's lecture is on some scientific secrets of aging, or we can say that above the age of 60, 70, 80, what are the secrets to go healthy? First thing is that the first scientific secret is that your feeling. Feeling means our health is divided into two. One is called mental health, and second one, your physical health. So both are very, very important when we are above 70 or 80. And in that case, your feeling is going to play a very important role. First thing is that once you are above 70 or 80 and you are still alive, you are one of the most fortunate among most fortunate people on this earth, because more than 90% people, they die before reaching to 70, 80. So even if you have some health condition, some pain, learn to live with that with thanks to nature, to whatever you believe, God, Allah, that you are still alive and you are spending time with your family members. And then second thing is, once you are aged, nowadays we are in commercial marketing age. Even the physicians, doctors, everybody is chasing money. Everything is commerce, everything is market. So please stop regular medical checkup, medical examination. Because what you can also notice, I have noticed, then in most of the cases, if you go to private clinic, nursing homes or hospitals, 90% people, they are senior citizens. And they are depressed, they are demoralized, and doctors are, I'm not saying every doctor, but doctors are recommending multiple medication. And those medications are not necessary, are not needed. First thing is that we should very clearly understand that some of your health condition may need medication. But for example, lot of supplements, vitamins, probiotic, prebiotics, so many energy drinks, and lot of other synthetic products which are available in market to boost the health of senior citizen is not required at all. Please stop immediately. Just follow simple life. Simple life means you are privileged, that you have a space of time. Most of you are retired. You are spending your time with your loved ones. Be with them and stop frequent examination and multiple medication. Then after that, the third most important segment is that scientific sleep pattern, sleep disorder. And they are saying that we must sleep from 7 to 9 hours. It's not applicable to every age group. It is very common. It is natural as per what we are designed to live on this earth, that once we are aged above the age of 70 or 80, deeply we will be having that is called broken sleep, or in scientific term you can say sleep disorder, sleep apnea. And I am giving my example. 2 weeks ago I went to medical checkup. Just, to reduce my medication because I am having some medicine because of some heart and some other problem. So after checkup, just routine, doctor advised me, asked me that I am sure you are suffering from sleep disorder. You are not getting deep sleep. Is it not that you are getting up after every 2-3 hours? I said, yeah. So he said that you should come for that and admit in one of the reputed hospital in India. And then every minute we are going to monitor electronically. Electrical electrodes will be fit and electronic signals will give your sleep pattern. I said, thank you very much, doctor. If I call you, my phone number is with you, it means I am coming. If I am not calling you, it shows that I am not coming. And I never told that I am also professor of medicinal chemistry. I understood. It was because of commercial venture. If I would have been admitted, the bill, I know, would have been more than 100,000 Indian currency. And it would have been almost 1 million naira here in Nigeria. And that sleep disorder, what I am saying, I am having since last 30 years, 40 years. With the same sleep I am managing. So first thing is that please don't go for any medication for sleep disorder, any pill, any synthetic medicine. If you are not sleeping, let us spend sleepless night. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, you will be sleeping. Because insomnia, means sleeplessness, is not going to kill you. Rather than if you are taking, you are having overdose of medication for sleep disorder, that is going to put more harm. So this is also one of the very, very important scientific factor for healthy life for senior citizens who are above 70, 80. And then other factor which is very common for senior citizen above the age of 70, 80, that is cholesterol. High level of cholesterol, the ratio of LDL, HDL. Cholesterol is the raw material. What I am talking as a chemist, cholesterol is the raw material, is a steroidal nucleus, and your lot of hormone like testosterone, male sex hormone, progesterone, female sex hormones, and even your cells which are produced to maintain your body immune system. For them, they need raw material, and that raw material is nothing but cholesterol. So cholesterol is serving as a raw material in your body for different functions. And if it is more, it means it indicates that your liver is functioning, is powerful, is producing more. So high level of cholesterol is not going to put much harm rather than running after a lot of medication. With lifestyle, and if it is high side, there are, I have seen people of 40, 50 years and even at the age of 70, 80 with high cholesterol they are managing. Managing means they are living normal. They are not going for any over medication. So for cholesterol, please, if it is towards higher side, stop worry, start living. Don't worry about that. Then the next one, which is very common in the age group of 70 and above 60 or 80, that is called BP, blood pressure, hypertension. And here, many people are confused. Once you are going to any physician and doctor in any part of the world, first they will say, stop salt. Sodium chloride is a myth. It's not the only sodium chloride. Means only sodium is responsible for that. Blood pressure, high blood pressure, higher side. And today, if suppose you are having 140, 150, rather than 120 of that mercury level, so once you have 150 or 140, people will say rush to some synthetic drug. To me, don't rush to that. It can be reversible. And there are two types of blood pressures, reversible and irreversible. Irreversible means where your some organ like kidney is involved. With that, you have to manage kidney, not the sodium chloride. And let me tell you, as per latest research, your blood vessels, arteries and veins, they were not strong and elastic some 60, 70 years ago, when most of the global population, especially in Asia and Africa, they were malnourished. They were not having enough nutrition. There was deficiency of a different type of vitamins, minerals in our body. So our veins, arteries, blood vessels were fragile, were weak. So even 150 at that time was enough to burst and rupture of the capillaries. That's why it was some 60, 70 years ago, it was established that no, 140 and 150 higher side of blood pressure is dangerous, is not dangerous. Even up to 200 is not dangerous today, because most of the people are not suffering from malnutrition. They are eating enough good balanced diet. And those balanced diet with lot of antioxidants, with lot of fruit and vegetables, they are keeping their vessels, blood vessels, arteries and veins very elastic. They can take care. By modifying your lifestyle, you can manage rather than going for multiple medication. I am here saying that the secret of maintaining good health, mental as well as physical, is not multiple medication, rather than scientific approach. Today when we are saying scientific, there are a lot of literature available. Go for whole grain, go for brown bread, and for fiber and for antioxidant. All those lot of nutritional literatures are available. But these conditions, especially this segment is for senior people who are very much lucky and fortunate that still they are alive, that they should not worry about all these factors which they are facing. Sleeplessness, high blood pressure, high cholesterol level, mental tension. No, it should not come there. Then the next one, that is worry about blood pressure and widespread. So let me tell you, number one, you are most lucky and fortunate and on this earth, because more than 90% people do not reach to this age. Number two, senior citizens above the age of 70, 80 years do not need regular health examination. We are in marketing and commercial age. You are giving more chance to physicians to manipulate examination, because we do not need multiple supplements or medication. Reduce drastically medication except those which are very much needed. One is need and one is addiction. There is difference in these two. Only by need you should go. And then after the age of 60, 70 or 80 years, very common that is called sleeping tablets. Stop it. Don't worry about sleep disorder. Many of my friends, they go to doctor that they are suffering from sleep disorder, and lot of medication, lot of money they are charging. They are admitted in hospitals. Please stop all this drama. Just go with that lifestyle. Then worry about high cholesterol level. I have already told you in detail the cholesterol chemistry, how it goes. It is the building block of many of our hormones, even our cells, which are responsible for immune system, all these things. Then worry about high blood pressure. It is related mainly to malnutrition people some 70 years ago when diets were not proper. That's why 140-50 was considered that with that our arteries, our blood vessels will be ruptured. No, even today at 200, it is not going to happen. And then, which was very common in Asia and Africa. And keep on walking. So from keep on walking, I'm going to discuss more on it, this next point under this heading. So please, I'm sharing my scientific and some chemistry knowledge for my age groups, senior citizens. Please maintain your brain health as well as physical health, and I'm going to discuss more in the next lecture. Thank you very much for watching the lecture. So last point, that is about walking, number 6, that I'm going to explain.